Hi everybody, this is Kevin Pryfogel from the Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. Please visit us at our website, paulsherryconversionvans.com, or reach us at 937-778-0830. This is a beautiful 2026 Sherrod Custom Side Entry Mobility Van in ceramic gray. Just a beautiful, beautiful, nice flat color. Has front warnings. You see the little things right there, the little buttons right there to keep you from having a bad day. Got the beautiful black wheels. Just a very beautiful van. Let me step back a little bit and let you see a little bit better. Dark tinted windows, really nice for privacy. And this is a brand new 2026 Sherrod Custom Mobility Van, and I'll show you how the side entry works here in a minute. These do come with a tow package, and it has underneath the 4-pin and the 7-pin along with the hitch. We'll open this thing up back here. This has a power sofa. That's a 2-section power sofa. Just a very, very pretty van. It's got that nice, you see up top, the nice 32-inch smart HD TV with premium speakers also throughout the vehicle. Comes with wireless headphones. Shut this all up again. We'll go back over on this side, then we'll go inside and I'll show you how a lot of operations work. Let's open up the driver's door real quick and show you a couple of things. This does have the nice, beautiful leather seats, heated front seats, heated steering wheel. It also has remote start. It also has your blind spot monitoring, lane departure, forward collision warning, pedestrian, cyclist emergency braking. I think we mentioned blind spot monitoring also. And it also has your digital, get up here if you can see, has your digital rear view mirror, which you can always flip down and it takes it back to a conventional rear mirror. On these big long vehicles, or if you have several passengers in this vehicle, it's kind of nice because that works off your rear backup camera and you don't have to have everybody duck. Okay, let's go around to the inside of the van. Sorry, I didn't mean to go too fast, make you all dizzy. So this has a nice little, your little power thing right here. And what you hit on this, you hit deploy, and then the lift will come down, open up, and then you just hit the down button. There we go. Had been deployed enough. Very easy to do. And you see the lift and it opens right up. And to just reverse the process, hit the up button on the lift and then hit stow. What's really nice about this Ride-Con and lift is it doesn't stay in your way. So people can walk in and out of the van like we're getting ready to do without having to walk over the lift. Here's all your USB ports, rear climate control. It does come with a box of cue restraints to secure the wheelchair to the floor. Show you the rest of the, just a beautiful van. Again, there's that really nice big smart TV. I think I mentioned it's got the 2-section power sofa in the back. It does have the also the rear 110 AC power outlets back here, and charge ports for USB. Just a beautiful van. If there's any questions you have on this beautiful vehicle or any vehicle, please visit us again at paulsherryconversionvans.com. There's a look of all the features in the front. Again, this also has navigation too. So let me get back out of the van here without breaking my leg. Again, this nice Ricon slide away power lift gate, power wheelchair lift, and it's got the handheld controls. If there's any questions you have on this van or any van, please reach out to me personally. Again, my name is Kevin Pryfogel from Paul Sherry Conversion Vans in beautiful Pickle, Ohio. We do specialize in all these vans. We do have some great financing options available. And again, ask for me by name, Kevin. We also take trade-ins of all kinds. So if you have something you want to trade in, please reach out to me also. And as always, thank you for giving us an opportunity. And if we can help, let me know. Have a great day. Bye now.